Hello, kids. Look, who came to visit our garage today. First to arrive is our bright red bus, PAZ 3205. Born in Russia in 1989, shining in red like a ripe apple. Its job is to carry people all around cities and villages. Isn't it just the cutest red bus you've ever seen? But hey, who's coming out from behind the garage now? Wow, it's our little hero minibus, UAZ 3303 Shift, born in Russia, 1965 years. He may be small, but he's super brave. He can take people to hard-to-reach places, deep in the forest, across muddy roads, or even to wells in the middle of nowhere. Uzik steps aside to let a friend pass. But who could it be? It's the GAZ 53, born in Russia, 1961 years. Look at those big side mirrors. Don't they look like huge ears? On his back, he carries a special tank that slurps up dirty water to clean streets, yards, and even the smallest alleys. And finally, here comes the mighty ZIL, ZIL 130. Born in 1962, in Russia and loved by everyone. Zilik is a hero during water pipe emergencies. He helps carry people to the site where the damage needs fixing. He may not be great in off-road areas, but he sure is a big help in the city. Dear kids, if you like our guests, you can see other interesting guest cars on next videos.